So today's job, here we go. So on these, the spare wheel is under there, and as you can see, it is very, very rusty. And you need to get into it down there, which you get a standard kit, which doesn't freaking work. So we need to get it off. The standard kit is missing the part that you need. So what we'll do is, I do believe it is a 17mm. So at first I had to use that ratchet because that wouldn't touch it, and I'm on grass here, which I don't like, but it is now off, sort of. So we're just going to move that out of the way, drag that, and take out the wheel. So quote is a bit shit on this, but spare wheel's off. Back end doesn't look too bad, a little bit of rust there. But everywhere else seems to look fairly clean. But it gives me enough space now to clear up. So the problem that I've got is that socket there. There's no way of getting that out. So I'm using this to get into here, to hook in. Oh, it's kind of hard to do it on a camera as well. Yeah, that's hooked. Oh, no, he's not. To pull it just up enough to get this chopstick in, to get that hooked up. Oh, don't touch the sides, don't touch the sides. Get out. Woohoo! Hook it up, champion.